This home is conveniently located near schools, shopping, parks, and the new recreation center coming soon. Let me show you around.
Dancing in the sun showers, standing tall with wildflowers, under the shape of a star.
This bi-level home has numerous recent updates, including new stucco, a tankless water heater, newer furnace, and my personal favorite, newer Trex decking, overlooking the expansive backyard. With its convenient location and major updates already in place, this home is ready for its next chapter. If you think this home is the right fit, call me and let's schedule a showing today.
Every time I start to lose you, something pulls me back again.